Hello and good evening. I thought I'd do a video outside because I've got a field day coming up in a couple of weeks, and I'm looking forward to that. And I thought I'd test out my mobile deployment. Already found for some reason that the battery into the IC705 is working. I know it's fully charged and it's not saying it's coming up with the battery icon. But yeah, I've got my Alex loop in a bike stand, so it's another suggestion from Jez. Really good idea. I mean, I wouldn't say it was suitable for SOTA because it weighs a fair bit, but on the upside of it being heavy means it handles the Alex loop no problem whatsoever. It's incredibly light, and you can just see there just how good it is. I dare say I could get a vertical antenna in there as well. Yeah, something like a Diamond X30 in there as well for 2 meters and 70 cents. So yeah, looking really good. Really stable. Probably need to work out a way of transportation, but it is pretty easy to set up. To me about 10 minutes. First time read manual and get it all plugged in. But yeah, I'm doing a brilliant job with getting the Alex loop up in the air, and you know, I'm not worried about it falling over. So this evening I'll set up on 20. I'll be calling CQ on there. So here you can see how good the SWR matching is on this Alex loop, and 5 watts going in. So here we go. CQ, 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 this is 2 Echo 0 Foxtrot Whiskey Echo calling CQ on 20 meters. So you can see, you know, the SWR is non-existent. I mean, I'm only pumping out 5 watts, but this 705 is really fickle. It's really sensitive to power and antenna matching. And to see the bar not go up at all, and I know I'm producing the signal, as you can see from the settings, probably got the compression up a bit too high. Let's see, I'll leave it on 5. But here we go, let's call CQ. CQ, 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 this is 2 Echo 0 Foxtrot Whiskey Echo calling CQ. CQ, 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 this is 2 Echo 0 Foxtrot Whiskey Echo calling CQ on 20 meters. Getting a bit of RFI from these LED lamps now as well, but yeah, I'm purely testing my setup here rather than expecting amazing results. That's coming when I go on the pool away day. I'm really looking forward to it. A group of fellow amateur radio operators generally having a good time. So I'll be on my QRP setup with the 705. You can see plenty of signals coming in, but you know, I want to get used to calling CQ on HF, and I've seen fellow YouTube channel operators do really well with same amounts of power, albeit, you know, to match verticals, not necessarily mag loops, but you know, the Alex loop is a good antenna, so I should be able to do something. Just keep trying. CQ, 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 this is 2 Echo 0 Foxtrot Whiskey Echo. CQ, 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 this is 2 Echo 0 Foxtrot Whiskey Echo calling CQ on 20 meters. So yeah, I mean, you probably saw just then the little LED coming up on the Alex loop, and that goes bright when it's resonant, the transmission's resonant with the frequency going through the loop. Tuning this is really easy. What I do is I move the antenna around. I find a band that's available visually, and then I wait to tune the Alex loop till the static comes up, and then test it. And yeah, 9 times out of 10 now I'm getting it, so it's 1-to-1. Obviously only on 5 watts, but still, as I say, the 705 is really fickle on its SWR measurements. Let's give it another try. CQ, 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 this is 2 Echo 0 Foxtrot Whiskey Echo calling CQ on 20 meters. CQ, 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 this is 2 Echo 0 Foxtrot Whiskey Echo calling CQ on 20 meters. Yeah, there's plenty of activity on the 20 metres tonight, that's for sure. And let's see if I can get out with 5 watts, albeit in quite, you know, an urban environment here, but yeah, it is possible. I know it's possible. It's a question of being patient and someone hearing you. With 5 watts, you know, if someone's got a directional antenna, you stand a better chance, but if you don't call, you ain't going to get it at all. So I'm going to keep calling and keep trying. But for now, thanks again to Jez. Another great suggestion on the bike stand. Thanks for that one. I'll let you know how I get on with it, portable or mobile, in a couple of weeks' time. I think it will be the choice of antenna stand I take along. So yeah, looking forward to that. Until then, 73s, and take care. All the best. 2E0 FWE.